Oh, Samsung, you were making all the right moves, doing the right thing, and you just had to go and f*** it up.
Want daily tech news in a way that doesn't suck?
Of course you do.
Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Front Page Tech. Of course, show that gives you all latest tech news from one geek that is me to another that is you. Happy Friday. Hey, I thought it was just about time for another one of our special Twitter giveaways. If you go follow me on Twitter right now, the link is down in the description. I'm giving away something very special. My friendship. That's right. All you gotta do is go down there, click the link, follow me on Twitter, and then you're instantly my friend for life. And if you don't do it, well, I have to kill you. All right, so first up, story numero uno for the day. Let's talk about Samsung. Let's talk about the Galaxy Fold. I know we've all been talking about the Galaxy Fold for a while. I thought the drama was over and Samsung handled it. They really did all the right things. They made all the right moves, and then suddenly they f***ed up. Here you go. Here is the iFixit teardown of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. iFixit did what they always do with every phone ever. They tear it down. It shows you what sort of love went into the device to make it a thing, but it also shows you the shortcomings of said device. Like, this specific teardown showed that Samsung could have avoided some of the mistakes that they made with the Galaxy Fold. That some of the issues that we were encountering with this device could have been avoided if they just, well, made it better. Like, for one, this teardown gave us a good answer as to why it was so easy for dirt or dust to get inside this thing. You know, one of the main issues that reviewers were reporting on? One of the main reasons why these devices were breaking? Yeah, well, Samsung no likey. And they had it removed. Yep, they had the iFixit teardown of the Galaxy Fold torn down. So effectively what happened here was iFixit obtained a Galaxy Fold unit by one of their trusted partners. And Samsung went ahead through that partner and requested that the iFixit teardown be removed, be taken down. So to be absolutely clear, Samsung requested that this was taken down, that this was removed, but they did not make a legal request. Like, iFixit was not absolutely required to do this. In a statement directly from iFixit, they went ahead and said, out of respect for this partner, whom we consider an ally in making devices more repairable, we are choosing to withdraw our story until we can purchase a Galaxy Fold at retail. So listen, obviously Samsung requested for this to be taken down, the iFixit teardown of the Galaxy Fold. They didn't want it up and available to you because it's embarrassing. It shows multiple instances, real evidence where Samsung just could have tried harder and had some very easily avoidable mistakes in this actual unit. But I'm not entirely sure that that was the best move, because now, as is with any piece of work that is struck down by a company or person trying to hide a thing, that thing will then become more known. The Streisand effect is what it's called. So because now that they took it down, you got people like us reporting that this happened, which is gonna cause you guys to go out and look for the real thing. But also, I kinda get it. Allow me to play devil's advocate here for a second. There were obvious issues with the Galaxy Fold, yes? Samsung should have done more testing. And I'm not talking about this kind of testing that they were trying to be like, hey look, well this is so durable we can fold it so many times. This is obviously testing in a very sterile environment with a machine that folds it the exact way every time. And unfortunately, just seeing how many times the device will fold very specifically with a machine does not speak to real world usage, which is why when it got into real hands of real people, this shit started happening. And now, obviously, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is delayed. The launch of the device is delayed. The shipping dates are delayed. The product itself is delayed while they investigate and probably re-engineer the device. For those people saying that it's canceled and they're going to try to air power it away and try to make us forget that it ever happened, no. That's not what's happening. We will get the Galaxy Fold. Samsung has put too much into this, too many years into this. There's too much attention on this for them to just cancel it. But they will likely re-engineer parts of this to try to make the display, maybe the hinge itself, more durable, just to prevent stuff from getting inside that thing when it actually does get in the hands of customers. And because they are potentially re-engineering some parts of this device, I can sort of see why Samsung would want the iFixit Teardown removed, because the specific unit that iFixit used for their Teardown may not be entirely accurate here soon. When they have sort of reworked the device itself, maybe that device, that specific unit, just isn't accurate to the device that's actually going to be released to the public. So if I had to play devil's advocate, that is exactly what I would say. That would be the reasoning that I would give Samsung. And if I was Samsung, I would take that. I would take what I just said and put it in your PR notes and use it for when you get questions, because I gotta be honest, you taking down this Teardown doesn't look good. Okay, got some Amazon news for you, and it's actually kinda awesome. It's kinda tits. Tits are awesome. So currently, if you are an Amazon Prime customer, which if you aren't, you are missing out. You obviously get free 2-day shipping. Well, it seems that Amazon is looking to change that now, because according to their CFO, they're working on a way to offer free 1-day shipping as default for Amazon Prime customers. Now, even today, you can sort of sometimes get away with free same-day or free 1-day shipping, and that usually requires you to order at least over $35 worth of stuff, and it's really only available to some select markets. But this new free 1-day shipping for Prime customers won't come with any additional costs other than, what you pay for Prime. Now, they've said that they have already started to try to make this a thing. The process has already begun, but it's going to take a significant amount of time to achieve. Development is going to begin in North America for now, but obviously they'll work on expanding that globally. And we'll supposedly hear more about this free 1-day shipping for Prime customers in the second quarter of this year. Yes, please, I want this. In fact, I will go as far as to say that I would even pay just a tad bit extra for Amazon Prime if I had to get free 1-day shipping. I would do it, because I'm a hermit and I pretty much just curl up in a ball under some blankets, like multiple blankets in a little blanket cave, and just sit there going scrolling through Amazon and ordering stuff and getting shipped to me, and I forget about what it is. So when the doorbell rings, I get scared and I think it's the cops. What, you don't get scared of the cops too? I'm not doing anything bad. I'm just, you never know about. Fuck you, leave me alone. All right, last up, we got a video of some 3D printed iPhone 11 dummy things. Obviously, these are just 3D printed dummies based off of schematics and renders of the iPhone 11. I will say though, this is the ugliest motherfucking phone that Apple could have possibly given us. I'll give you a quick second to look at this video some more, but it's whatever. That's not really why I'm putting it in today's episode. No, I'm putting that in today's episode to make fun of BGR. Popular tech news website BGR. They posted an article that had this video featured saying video leak shows Apple's iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max designs side by side. No, you fucking douche bucket. This is not a leak. Some asshole just 3D printed off of some schematics for the iPhone 11 and posted a video on YouTube. What leak happened? Tell me, where did the leak happen? There was nothing sneaky deaky about this. I mean, look at it. It's not even good. Hey, BGR, you put us on your website before. When we uploaded today's episode of Front Page Tech, I got an idea for the next title of your article. Latest Front Page Tech episode leaked by very handsome man, John Posner. I'm disappointed in you, booger. That's what happens if you pronounce BGR. It's called booger. And that's the show. Hopefully you liked it. You learned something. If you did, hit that like button. If you hate my stupid face, hit the dislike button. If you're new here, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.